We are with the marketing head of Renishaw India with us at IMTEX 2025, and we are going to ask them about what's new on display this year.
Thanks, Amit. At IMTEX 2025 at Renishaw booth, a lot of things are new, right? Our theme this year is automation for everyone, and in order to represent that theme, what we have done is we have created a user interactive display, and that display will take our visitors on a journey to a CNC process control. Yeah, in the CNC process control, generally, all our customers have different issues at the shop floor. They want to set a component rightly, they want to do the part inspection rightly, they want to set the tool rightly, they want to inspect the tool rightly when the CNC machine operations is happening. Traditionally, I know this has been done with the manual intervention, but at our booth, when they can come and visit and see how it is easy with a user interactive display, they can play around it and see how Renishaw can help in their process control. So that's one. Second, we are launching our smart manufacturing data platform, Renishaw Central. So basically, Renishaw Central is a software which collects the metrology data from the shop floor and gives you the right information so you can take the corrective actions. So that's another thing. Third thing, what we have introduced is the world's smallest wireless micro probe, RMP24. It's a very small probe. I think it's there on our stand. You can have a look at it. That's another very interesting probe what we have launched here. And fourth is we have revamped our fixturing kit, metrology fixturing kit, and that's also there on the display. So these are all new things, but as I said, our theme is automation for everyone. In order to show that, our equator gauging systems which are there at our booth also are in an automation sense. So you can come and experience how we help manufacturers to automate their shop floor. So these are some of the new things, but along with that we also have other solutions like CMM, style and fixture, calibration and optimization product line, our encoder product line. So these are also there on the booth.
Right. You just spoke about automation for everyone. Can you just give us some more details about what is that exactly?
Yeah, I think traditionally, if you think about automation, people think about robots. Yes, robot is definitely an automation, but what we are saying here, automation should be accessible to everyone. Whether you have one machine, 10 machines, 15 machines, 1,000 machines, you have small company, big company, medium company, automation should be made available to everybody in India so that the productivity is increased, so it will help the economy to boost. So our mission here is to tell all the manufacturers that come and see that the simplest form of automation could be automating your CNC processes. So our machine tool probing solutions can be your first go to automate your process. So that's what we are saying. From job shop to the production line, automation is for everyone.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for talking to us, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Amit, and thank you for being with us today, and thank you for this interview. It's really a pleasure talking to you. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to IMTEX 2025. I am Rahul Desley, Marketing Manager at Renishaw India. I welcome you to our booth B101 in Hall 4A.